Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Banban as a smiling critter. So first we're going to get started with the face on a diagonal, and for the right eye we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. On the side now we're going to arch this line around and then down on the right. Let's move up on a diagonal now, and we're going to curve this line around and then up on the left. And then again on the inside we're just going to curve this line around and then down. Now in the center, we're going to draw in a small oval on both sides for the pupil of the eye. Now let's draw in our head. So on the top, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right in the center. For the right hand side now, we're going to curve this line around and then down. We'll do the same thing as we move up and over on the left. On the inside from that corner, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing, arching that around and then down on the left. Let's come down and draw in the mouth now. So for the corner, we're going to curve this line out. And then coming down on the right, let's replicate that. Let's connect this together on the top with an arch line from left to right. In the center now, up on the left, we're going to curve this line down. And then up above, we're just going to arch this line around and then in towards the bottom. Now closing off the bottom of the mouth, we're going to arch this line in towards the corner. And then to the right of this, we're going to curve this line back around and then up. On the top now, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, curving this line around and then back up towards the tongue. Let's draw on the party hats now. So on the top right hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this line down and in on the side. Let's step further across now. On the left, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes up. And then again from this point, we're just going to bring this diagonal line, curving that down towards the top. Now inside of each party hat, we're just going to draw some diagonal lines. So we're going to leave an even amount of space as we come up towards the top. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. Now let's move down in towards the middle and draw in the torso. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then to the right of this, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on the side. In the middle, we're going to draw in a small curved line. On the inside now, we're going to curve this line over and out on the right. For our right foot now, we're going to curve this line all the way around, connecting this towards the top line, arching that in. And then on the bottom, we're just going to curve this line back around and then down. Let's move over to our left leg now. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then down. From the corner, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then in. And then starting on the top, we're going to curve this line up towards the side. For the bottom of the foot now, we're going to curve this line around and then down. In the center now, let's draw in a small triangle. And then for the necklace, we're just going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. For the right arm on the top, we're going to curve this line out. Let's move in now. We're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out, ending that so it's on a diagonal. On the top, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And now for the thumb, we're just going to arch this line around and then up towards the corner. Now let's draw in the cane behind. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. On the bottom, we're going to curve this line up. From that point, we're going to curve this line over. Again, we're going to arch this line around. And then from here, we're going to curve this line around, up, and then in. we're going to curve this line up and then down. And then again, we're just going to curve this line up and then back down at the point. Now from here on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then in at the point again. And now from here, we're just going to draw in a small curved line that arches in towards the tongue. For the hand underneath, for the thumb, we're going to curve this line in. And then for the top, we're going to arch this line around and then down. Now let's draw the rest of the cane coming underneath. So we're going to curve this line up. Again, moving to the side. Moving over. We're going to start to curve this down so it arches in. So we're going to make these lines slightly smaller as we come in towards the bottom. And now arching this line around and then in. And now from here on the top, we're just going to curve these lines in towards the point from the side. So we're going to continue to curve these lines around and then down. And that is it. That's how you draw Banban as a smiling critter. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.